Hi all, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time of the day you are joining me. So I'm back with another series. I'm Analyst Ankur at House of Analyst Ankur. So today we are talking about the third case study in the series. Um, it is Oracle EBS ERP versus Oracle Fusion ERP. So um, before we deep dive into this case study, I would like to quickly remind my audience about the recent assessment I had done on the Indian auto ancillary state of digital transformation. So this has been the assessment that I have done. Uh, State of digital transformation at top Indian auto ancillaries. So there's a two axis, x-axis and the y-axis. It is called as a 2x2 assessment. On the x-axis, it's the digital design and industry 4.0 manufacturing capabilities. On the y, we have the post-manufacturing, we have the quality assurance, we have the cost, granular cost analytics, we have after-sales support. So all those things are coming on the y-axis, basically your CRMs and all the cost analytics engines are coming on the y-axis. On the x-axis are the MES systems, are the your CAD systems, are your design solutions. So they are coming on the x-axis. So this is the assessment that I have run. The results of it are available online. I will put the link of the insights in the comment section, and you can go through. It's there on my website as well. If you write on Google House of Analyst Ankur, you will get the details. Go to the inside section and you will get the details. So coming back to the case study. So this is the third case study. There's a company C. I have been asked to mask the company name, so I've masked the company names. Okay. So they have modernized their enterprise systems from legacy EBS platform of Oracle to cloud-based Oracle Fusion solution. Firstly, I don't like this word legacy. Um, it's not a case of legacy. See, some enterprises EBS suits, to some Fusion suits. It's not a case of legacy. But yeah, uh, quick question: how are the two solutions different? See, the primary difference is EBS resides on your premise, on your local setup, on your local host, whereas the Fusion is a SaaS-based offering sitting on the cloud. So how does it matter to you? Because see, when it's on the premise, whole of the control of the data is in your hand. However, the same is not the case when it is transferred to a SaaS-based offering on the cloud. You lose the control of the data. How the data is flowing. You can obviously build a data pipelines and try to control certain bit of data, but there are certain problematic areas I have heard with the enterprises. I will cover those problems in another video. I will also try to bring in certain guests who will talk about how a cloud-based ERP or a cloud-based ERP creates certain problems. There are vendor lock-ins as well. There are cloud lock-ins. So there are a lot of things. So uh, the quick discussion here is, so they have done that change, this particular company C, which is part of my assessment. In the name of digital transformation, they have moved from Oracle EBS to Oracle Fusion ERP system. So what's the implementation process that they have followed? Let's quickly go through each of this and let's see if there's anything that we are not able to understand. One, they migrated with heavy customizations, migrated from Oracle EBS with heavy customization. C, the on-premise version has a lot of customizations. And that's the biggest plus of it, why people use it, why people still use it in 2026. Because there are a lot of customizations available. They have implemented Oracle Fusion ERP, which is the newer cloud version, across three plants, multiple locations, three plants. Okay. Digitalized order management process. See, order management process is one of the USP of Oracle Fusion. Their order management and their cost analytics solutions are considered very superior in the market. Enterprise feedback is positive about it. Vendors are also quite happy in the implementation, in the system integration of it. They have moved planning and costing functions from offline spreadsheets to cloud-based system. Okay. They have also integrated the manufacturing execution, MES, and maintenance management functions. Basically, they have integrated that with the cloud, establish unified real-time reporting across all plants. Obviously, one of the benefit of the cloud solution is there's real-time reporting. See, when the solution is on the premise, the real-time reporting lags. The reporting might lag by 2 days, by 5 days. It might lag by a week's time, or it might lag by a couple of hours. But there's a certain lag in real time when the data is on the SaaS platform on the cloud. Uh, Across all the set of users who have the access, the data is available in real time. The deployment is there on cloud for scalability. See, when we call about scalability, it's about the number of users, number of functions that are using it, and obviously compliance. Compliance is a question mark thing actually. Okay, now how to choose between these kind of uh, when you are taking such a decision? How to go with Oracle, ERP, EBS, Oracle, ERP, Fusion. Remove the word Oracle. Should you cha- should you the question should be in your mind, should you choose on-premise or cloud? The second question, there comes a vendor lock-in. When you choose Oracle Fusion ERP, you are also choosing Oracle Cloud. Though there are multi-cloud uh, systems are available, still there's certain level of lock-in. Certain functions of Oracle Fusion ERP are exclusively on Oracle Cloud. User, the third question is that should be there in your mind is you should check with your users, you should check with your people who are using it, what interface they prefer, what's their comfort. Fourth thing is the analytics and AI offerings. As I had mentioned, order management, uh, granular cost analytics, predictive cost spend. These are some of the things which are better suited, which are better placed in Oracle Fusion ERP as per what the enterprise feedback says. Other is the cost. There's an immediate upfront cost, right? And there's a total cost of ownership. Different people, different enterprises have different views on this. There's no one answer as to which is higher, which is lower. Finally, is regulatory compliance. There are certain industries, um, say manufacturing in the defense sector, manufacturing in the public sector, healthcare, where certain sections, certain portion of the data is to be protected in a manner that it doesn't go on the cloud, that it doesn't go, that there's no chance of the leakage. In that case, such kind of decision is actually very easy, and you go with the Oracle EBS ERP or any other company's on-premise solution. Okay. Next thing, these are some of the pointers which I could come up finally. One, EBS suits organizations needing deep customizations and data control. Okay, whereas Fusion excels in real-time analytics, automatic updates, and lower maintenance. Again, lower maintenance is something which is a bit of question mark. Okay, basis what I hear from enterprises and even service vendors as well. There's a question mark there. Second, EBS is form based in terms of the interface and provides limited dashboards. Now, this can be both a plus and a minus. Dashboards can sound fancy, okay? But fancy doesn't mean they are comfortable. Fancy doesn't mean they are usable. So check with your employees. Are they comfortable? Are they usable? Run that small POC. Or even if you don't want to run that POC, simply install a Power BI or a Tableau application, run some small dashboards there and ask your employees to use it. Are they able to use it? There's no point of real-time data flowing in if your employees are not able to run those dashboards. EBS involves upfront licensing, hardware. Hardware has to be there. If the data is on-premise, the hardware has to be there. High maintenance costs in that case are there, but it is called as long-term total cost of ownership is lower for stable setups. There's no hardware or the upfront costs associated with the Fusion solutions, though there are regular licensing fees that is there, or the SaaS licensing that happens. Both solutions cover financial, SCM, HCM, procurement, but Fusion adds advanced capabilities like intelligent invoice processing. I was saying order management, real-time dashboards. Those are the USP of Fusion. Still, I'm saying Fusion is equal to cloud lock-in. You are logged in on that particular cloud vendor. Multi-clouding is there. You can, through the API calls, you can use Google Cloud a bit, but the functionality is still limited. That's how the system works. Functionality is limited. They have certain vendor lock-ins. So that's the discussion on Oracle EBS ERP versus Oracle Fusion ERP. I will be back with another case study. Uh, Again, showing you the image. This is the image of the state of digital transformation at top Indian auto ancillaries. Um, do reach me out. You can write to me on email. You can um, call me on my cell. Should there be any concerns? Should there be any queries? Should there be any further need to understand the set of things? I would be happy to talk more. I would be happy to research specifically, do some syndicated research for you as well. We can do a joint podcast. We can do a joint discussion to see how I can help you further. Yeah, all of this for today. Thank you for joining today. Bye bye. Have a good time.